Hello, seekers. This is Meera, and how are you all? So it is very important that we, as spiritual people, should be very peaceful, calm, kind, and loving. But does Almighty or the universe expects us to be very passive and not doing anything? No. He has given you the resources, or he has taught you enough lessons that you should be able to create the boundaries. You should be able to transform this world in a better as a better place. At times it is done with love, in a peaceful manner. At times it is by creating the boundaries, by showcasing the true strength in a particular manner, and that has to be a very generous manner, but very firm stand in assertive manner. So even the gods, goddesses, they have done certain significant steps to deal with the demons. And what are the demons in today's world, or the evils? They are greed, lust, anger, etc. And it is not only you. When you are fighting with your own demons, you are always going to come across another person's demons. So you should be able to deal with that in a very strong manner. So the strength will be provided by the universe, but you are the executor. Not the God Almighty or the universe will not does not have hands, legs, the speech and everything. It will be, you will act as a vessel. So do not shy or get afraid when there are certain things which expect the society transformation. Create your own brand and create your own agendas to transform the society. That is the significant task has been given by universe. Okay, stay connected, stay blessed.